Let's roll the clock back.
Rolling the clock back.
1994 Mustang SVT.
Everybody wanted one of these.
And look at this. This is the even best part. Standard vehicle price, $23,535.
And it's a manual transmission with a long shifter. That's a long throw.
Oh my gosh. 26 grand out the door, man.
Wow.
Jeez. Take me back.
Line to ride in a Raptor, because we'll never do this ever.
A Bronco Raptor.
Yes, a Bronco Raptor.
Yeah. See? That's pretty cool, though.
It is.
We should put you in there. Yeah.
Three-wheel motion over there.
The whole thing that runs working over there, and that's because it doesn't have enough there. Everything else here, this over here, do the also another little there, and then get up the hill. I've packed like 3 guys are over 250.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they've come a long way, right?
Oh, yeah.
So what we're in today is the Bronco Raptor, guys. Extremely off-road capable. With the Raptor, you get a lot of cool stuff. We got a big 37-inch factory tire on this one, 7 inches wider than the typical Broncos. We have about 100 more horsepower with these things.
Nice.
So it is quite the upgrade from our standard Bronco. So for this, I'm going back to that independent rear locker. Boom, push of a button. And I'm going to set up what's called trail control. So think of it like cruise control for off-road. I set us at 2 miles an hour, done that from the steering wheel, and I can take my feet off the pedals, and the truck's going to do all the work for us.
Holy moly.
So this is about 39 degrees of angle right here.
Holy crap.
As you can tell, it's genuinely steep.
It's a Supra!
Is that a Supra? So now that we're at the top, I can show off some more camera stuff. It's a little bit difficult to see in front of me. I can't see what's going on. So we got forward-facing cameras, forward side-facing cameras, 360 cameras. We got cameras that can do all sorts of stuff. So say you're old school and you don't want all this technology, we can turn it all off. The Bronco still does it. So we're just going to rely on old-fashioned engine braking all the way down.
Damn. Yeah. Hey guys, we're over here at the Chicago Auto Show. We're here for Media Day, and we already took a walk around.
Yeah, 2024 it's got to go down in history as probably the smallest auto show they've had in history. We are now down to just one major hall when we used to have both full halls. And even this one, they're just like really spreading it out because they can't even fill the whole hall, it seems like. Because I think Dodge was scared to show up because I think they're scared all their inventory would be stolen, you know, being out here.
Being in Chicago, stolen. Yeah, Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, Alfa Romeo, none of them did show up for this one.
Yeah.
There is a lot of space. The only major manufacturers here are actual Ford. You got Toyota behind us. You got Honda, Chevy,
Volkswagen, Nissan,
and Subaru. Those are only ones, and yeah, that's all that's basically here. We're really not impressed.
No, there were a couple of fun moments, a couple of really cool cars that are here.
Yeah.
And not talking about just Supercar Galleria or Chicago Exotics, which we'll show you here later. Ford actually has the Ford GTD, which is really cool in person. What else? The Cybertruck, which we were a little reluctant to go see it, but we ended up having a real good time with it.
Ford, they did really good on their presentation. I'm really impressed with the new Explorer ST, the new revamps of it. They had the Dark Horse over there. Of course, the TRD, the GTR. Yeah, the GTR.
Yeah, GTD.
GTD, DVD.
Yeah.
That's what it is. All of it's electric. That's all it is that's here is electric.
They're really pushing the EV vehicles
here. Yeah, EV vehicles. Cadillac didn't even show up. There's a couple of BMWs here. But not really impressed.
I don't know. We did have fun taking a ride in the Ford Bronco Raptor on their little test track. That was actually pretty cool.
Yeah, that was actually fun. I would actually consider buying one and replacing my Ram because they'll be pretty fun.
I would definitely take the Bronco over a Jeep nowadays.
Yeah, exactly.
Because I'm not down with the ducks.
Yeah,
what the heck's that all about?
There's no duck wars. So, but yeah, we also got Hyundai, a bunch of electric vehicles. We did get a lot of support from Chicago. The Chi-Town Exotic Group brought a couple of cars here from a lot of our good friends that we see and talk to, like Nakai Sons, handcrafted RWB Porsche. It is very small. We've been coming to this Chicago Auto Show for years, and it's been humongous. It takes us all day to walk it, and we did this in a matter of like 2-3 hours. So, like Eric said, some good parts to it, but not a lot to go by based on.
Hopefully they can rebound next year. Dodge says it was only temporary, that they weren't going to be here this year.
All right, it's always good to see a local Chi-Town Exotics car group being supported. The Venador.
Yeah, that's not just a regular Venador. That's Pirelli edition. Just like the same car that was infamously crashed in Chicago, that was picked up by the Stradman to turn into his pink Venador. Fun fact.
Nice.
And then we have two very different Porsche styles.
You got the 918 Spider.
You got the more futuristic, and you got
the classic.
Oh my gosh.
Nakai Sons, first handcrafted.
Racing art,
wide body, RWB.
Nora.
And her name is Nora.
She is a Chi-Town legend. She's beautiful. It don't get much deeper than that in that deep dish.
Oh, yeah. Put your baby in there.
Okay. Look at that. Bam. Bam. Yeah.
Yep, that's big.
That's what she said.
All right. Then you got Rohana Wheels, Liberty Walk.
720S.
720S.
Just arrived back here like last week or so. Got back here to the Chicago Auto Show. Looking immaculate.
I know. I love those cars.
That color. Oh my gosh. And I'm sorry, but I don't think anybody else does it like Rohana Wheels.
No. They're one of the best. And then you got this nice, pretty little Radical.
Street legal
Radical. And you know, we've seen this one a few times over at a few of the car shows we go to. But yeah, this one's pretty nasty.
Dude, I could only imagine taking that down 55.
Bop, bop, bop. Then you got a Volvo.
Not just any Volvo. It's owned by Graham Rahal Racing. So you know it's mint.
Oh, yeah. And then you got the Lancia. 1976.
Chimera. Evolution.
Now, this thing does look nasty.
Show that engine bay. It don't get much better than that.
It's here. Right.
This is number 8 of 37.
I'll get around to it.
Yeah, you got the interior is immaculate.
Look at the wheels. I don't know. I love those. The way the
and they work on a Lancer because it's old rally. This is based off an old rally car.
Oh yeah. I think it's just nasty. And here's the interior. And
I love how they did the yellow headlights.
Oh yeah.
A nod back to the old racing heritage.
Yep. Yeah, that thing is beautiful. Then we got our buddy's car. Chicago car guy.
And yes, that is spray painted onto the car.
Yeah. Yeah, all of this is spray painted. He actually paid somebody to spray paint.
You can literally feel that it's tacky, somewhat.
Yeah. But really good work. Would you let somebody spray paint your Lamborghini Huracan all over the place?
Yeah.
Leave in the comments, let us know.
And he's always doing something special because the car he had before was an Aston Martin, and he had a Mario spray paint livery on it.
Yes. Now this would be a hell of a camera car.
It's a Jaguar.
Yep.
The Jaguar.
The Jag.
Jag.
There you go.
That's a good media car.
Oh,
Look at
yeah.
that setup.
And then got this sexy.
Oh yeah. Got the
AMG.
Mercedes GT AMG.
Yeah, this thing is nice.
I love the sound of these V8s.
Why don't we see these guys at track days? Well, they go to Grid Life. But,
Yeah,
we
I don't know.
make it out
Maybe
there.
they'll be out there. But I'll tell you, they sound amazing. I love the deep burbles
Oh yeah.
on these Mercedes.
Oh yeah. So big shout out to Shutdown Exotics Auto Group.
Love
Cool.
seeing them here, man.
Oh yeah. It's like representing the car community in Chicago for the auto show. So, all right, I'm not really big on Rolls Royces. Not much. They're not my style. They're really nice cars, but
I can appreciate them.
I could appreciate. Yeah, I could appreciate
And
them, but I wouldn't buy them.
They're not your grandpa's Rolls Royces anymore.
No,
As you can tell by the interiors that they put in these
no, that is
things.
blue. Actually, I really like that blue.
I do like the blue, the blue and the gray. Okay,
Yeah, but
that is not practical for getting around.
exactly. Now look at this one here. It's got the white interior.
Mm-hmm.
One wrong move after a Taco Bell run, the interior is ruined.
Oh boy.
I couldn't do it.
I
There you
do,
go.
I do like the interiors. Like the
Yeah.
interiors are great, but if I had to pick a big luxury brand car like that, I'd have to go with a
Yeah,
Bentley.
go with a Bentley. It's more us. It's more us.
It's more sporty. You still get all the luxury.
Yeah.
So,
See, I would even get the coupe.
oh yeah, the Continental.
Yep.
But look at this, like this. You'd never find the old yellow interior in one of the old school Rolls Royces.
No.
And look at the exterior colors are getting crazy too.
Yep. The truck does look pretty nice. It actually looks like a truck.
I think this would be more doable out of all the Rolls Royces
Yeah.
because this really isn't much bigger than like a Jeep Wagoneer.
No. No.
I'm sorry I hated that I just compared this to a Jeep Wagoneer, but same. Size-wise.
So if I were to get one of these, I'd rather just get one of those.
What are your feelings on the gold color? I don't know how I feel about that.
I don't like it.
I could rock with the wheels. I could rock
Yeah.
the wheels, but yeah,
But what would have happened anyway
Oh, boy.
when you get a Urus? You're just going to wrap it anyway.
white interior again.
Nah.
It's kind of like an
Kinda,
eggshell
Yeah,
white.
it's like an eggshell white. I like actually the green interior, the green color.
Oh, the
and-
Verde Scandal green.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then you got the MC20s.
Like a lot of people have said, it's a very cool car, and I know Maserati gets a lot of hate from the older cars, but this is actually really cool.
Yeah, they might have
Um,
revamped their stuff on that one.
But what gets a lot of people hung up is the price point.
Yeah.
It's what you're paying for this. You could get another exotic car.
Yeah, exactly. All right.
Let's run you down here. Let's see what else we got sitting around.
All right, I'm a big fan of McLarens. You got the Altura and the 750S Spider.
Which is the newer, supposedly a little more advanced than the 720 and the 765.
Yeah,
Carries over a lot of the same styling keys, though.
it does.
Ooh, check out that dark purple.
Bringing it back to the Nissan R34 days.
Oh, midnight purple?
Midnight purple. Yeah, that does
Okay.
look nice.
That one might be hard to come up on camera, but it looks good.
And then we're just going to go all the way around. Lotus.
Okay, this is the, I forget what model this is. This is the
Avera.
first edition Mira. Is that how you pronounce it, Mira? A Mira?
Yeah, Avera.
Yeah, it's a first edition. I like that.
I would have us drive one of these.
this or an MC20 because I'm getting the same vibe off these two cars.
Yeah. But I got another MC20.
But hey, did you look inside the Amira? Did you see why I'd probably pick this one?
Because
there's the magic stick.
Yes. Yep. It's manual transmission. And what is the price point on this? So, you're talking about matching comparisons. The price points are totally different.
I know.
The door.
Right up here.
Oh, that's
Yep.
the door.
Yep.
So, you got this Lotus at $93,900. Then you got the MC20. That's at $300,000.
Okay. Here's where they vary ever so slightly. You have you both have V6. The Maserati is a twin turbo V6, and the Lotus is a supercharged V6. I'd lean more towards the twin turbo V6. That's pushing over 600 horsepower, and the Lotus here is at 400. Top speeds
202.
202 to 180 for the Lotus, and 0 to 60 is about a second faster for the Maserati.
Yeah.
But is it worth
the extra $200,000?
No. No.
It is not worth it. It is not worth it. All right, then you got the DB12.
Just timeless classic
Yeah,
styling.
you can't go wrong with that.
Is this
You cannot go wrong with that.
okay? And then Aston. Okay, I see you. Although, okay, I'm okay. Tell me what you think if you agree with what I'm about to say. But this looks like the Jaguar SUV.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just maybe a little bigger. I do like the back end better than.
Yeah, it looks like a ducktail. Nice and luxurious, though. It's pretty good. I will get one.
For $270,000?
No.
Don't think so.
No. Hey, look, another Rolls Royce. Actually, I like that color gray.
These are, like I said, I'll give it to them.
Yeah.
They're beautiful cars, just not my style.
Yeah. But wait, we're going to get back up to the front. See, there's the other Bentley.
What is that, a Mulsanne?
Mm-hmm.
Is that the new Mulsanne?
But look at this interior on the Bentleys.
No, it's the Flying Spur, a hybrid actually.
This is really nice. Then you got the convertible.
Yep, Continental
But
GT.
wait, the best is yet to come. Look at these crystal headlights. Those are
Yeah.
pretty crazy.
I give it to them. Look
Yeah.
good.
All right. Now, we skipped over the whole important area of where we were going to go with this. All right. Got the Lamborghini Countach, the new one.
What is it? 120 made.
Yeah.
About 2.8 million now.
Yep.
I believe I know of two in the Chicagoland area. This being one of them.
And then,
The new Lamborghini Huracan Strato.
I'm really loving this car, even when Stradman bought it. He took it everywhere.
And
No
it
issues.
is definitely a car. In person, better. It looks better in
Oh, yeah.
person.
Oh, yeah. Especially for the Chicago winters.
Yes.
Driving this, I would have this as
If
a winter
you're
car.
a supercar, hypercar owner, why wouldn't this be your winter car?
Yeah, exactly. There's not even go wrong with it.
And then as soon as the nice weather comes back to the area, turn around and you take this out.
There you go.
Lamborghini Huracan STO.
Yep.
And I'll tell you, the craziest specs in these cars.
Oh, yeah. They're nasty.
It's not showing up, but that red is almost like a pinkish red.
Yeah.
I mean, it's
It does look really
beautiful
good.
spec.